इनविजिबल बेंच यानी गैर मरई बेंच, यानी जो दिखाई नहीं देता हो ऐसा बेंच, जो दिखाई नहीं देता हो ऐसा बेंच, गायबशुदा बेंच। छठी जमात से नसीर सर लेकर आ रहे हैं पर्दा उल्टा।
What are you guys doing? Sitting here on invisible bench. Oh no, I had just finished painting that bench. Let's do that again. Okay. What are you guys doing? Sitting on invisible bench. Oh no, I had just finished painting that bench. Oh, that's okay. We all have our invisible paint suits on. I have an idea. What are you guys doing? We are moving this invisible bench. I hear they are serving invisible cake in that hall there.